The wealthy ones like you look down on the common folks like me, making bets to what degree of fool we are. Through your rose-colored windows, you see yourself above us, standing in the mud, gazing at the stars. What the rich and poor have in common cold, the heartburn and the heartache put up pants on just the same. You what don't make you better, babe, 'cause I can tread water, babe, as long as you think you make it rain. While you got your raisin girl in your diamond-studded world, I got pulled up on the hunger side of town. Well, I got my feet on bacon rind, ain't no hide as tough as mine. Might be fun while be your clown. So get your will, do your thing, and I'll run around the ring, ride my wild horse, sway my armor too. Well, I don't hesitate, bless the babe, I'll be a court judge the babe. Don't think you won't pay fiddler too. Put your hands in mine. It was a shocking time to find the water hot, current strong, deep and wet. You had me struggling for the time, dragging on your line, but never fear, this fish will never swim. While you play with my mind, I'll be playing with your money, honey, as long as you can stand the drain. I'll fan the flame and make it hotter, 'cause I think I can walk on water, as long as you think you make it rain. I hang around a while, study your style, come out a whole lot wiser man indeed. 'Cause last time anyone as you, if a few looked around, found the grandest star up in the east. Hey, I don't see no halo, just a little girl with a lot of gold, one more trinket for Golden City. Well, you got heartburn hanging, kid, don't never say you never did. You best be my guest, make it rain. Baby, make it rain. Make it rain. Baby, make it rain. Make it rain. Let's do the same song backwards.